Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain a very important topic of class 11th computer science, Boolean logic. So let's move toward the list of the topics we are going to discuss in this video. What is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra was invented by George Boole in 19th century. Boolean algebra is an algebra of logic extremely suitable for digital circuit. The principle behind Boolean algebra is that answer to its equation is either true or false. The letter capital T or digit 1 represents a true solution, whereas digit 0 or letter capital F represents a false solution. What is logical statement? The statement which can take only two values, either true or false, is called logical statement. What is binary decision? The decision which results into either true or false is called binary decision. What is binary variable? A variable which can accept only two values, either 0 or 1, is called binary variable. What is truth value? Since a logical statement can take only two values, true or false, therefore value true and false are called truth values. What is truth table? A truth table is a table containing all possible input and output combination of a given logic circuit. Truth table contains 2 to the power n combinations for n input and their corresponding outputs. So dear students, a table containing all possible input and output combination of a given logic circuit is called truth table. It contains 2 to the power n combinations for n input and their corresponding outputs. See, this is one input truth table. See, this is the example of two input truth table. This is example of three input truth table. In three input truth table, 8 different input combinations are possible. Because you know the formula is 2 to the power n and 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So 8 different combination will be formed in three input truth table. Thank you. Have a nice day.